Hello, welcome. In this lecture, let us discuss about benefits of Agile software development methodology. The first benefit is faster time to market. It means Agile helps teams to deliver parts of the software quickly instead of waiting until entire product is finished. For example, think of a mobile app like a photo editing application. Instead of waiting a year to launch it with all the features, Agile allows developers to release an early version of the app with basic features. People can start using an app with these basic features available in the initial version while the development team continues to add the more advanced features later. The basically faster time to market is possible because you can release the app with some basic features initially, and when the users are using those basic features you can still continue your development and release the new features in the next release. The next benefit of agile development methodology is flexibility. Flexibility means Agile allows teams to adapt to changes easily, even if they occur in later stages of the project. For example, in a software development, a company might plan to create a cab or a taxi booking app, but halfway through, they realize that customers also want a feature to book the two-wheeler or a bike too. Agile allows them to change the direction and add this new feature without wasting much time. So basically, flexibility means you are able to adapt to the changing needs of the business. The next benefit of Agile development practice is continuous improvement. It means Agile teams regularly review their work, learn from the mistake, and improve continuously, making the product better with each version. For example, a software development team building a shopping website might notice that customers are having a trouble during a checkout process. Instead of waiting until the end for the next big update, they fix the issue right away and release an improved version, making it easier for the customers to buy the product. So, these are the benefits of Agile software development methodology. Thank you for watching.